Hello, so today's video I'm going to reviewing these new sneakers by Nike, and these are the Nike Dunk Lows in the black and white colorway, aka the Pandas. And also I want to give you my honest opinion about them, and of course I will try them on feet. And also I'm going to show you some outfits with the shoes just for fun, just make it more, enjoyable. And honestly I did not plan to get these shoes, but I would say it was a very unexpected purchase. Not because I don't like them, but I just did not want to buy any sneakers at the moment, because last time we went to shopping one of my friends and she wanted to buy new sneakers, and I just helped her to look around a little bit, but I was like, no, I'm not going to buy anything, I don't want any shoes or clothing. I just want her to help, but guess what, I was the first one who got the new sneakers. But anyways, I am very happy with my purchase, and she also got another sneakers, so we were very happy. And then we ended up in Snipes, and I was so happy because these are my size, the 36.5. Now let's see how they look like. So the shoe, it came in this basic red Nike box, nothing special, and yeah, now let's see. So yeah, here they are. It's a very nice everyday shoes, and these are quite a very, I would say, like a hypey shoes. A lot of people wear them, and also a lot of people want these Nike Dunk Lows, specifically this colorway, the black and white. It's very popular, but I don't think it's that unique because of that, but it's a nice colorway, don't get me wrong. I really like them. It's a perfect everyday shoes, black and white. It goes with everything. It's very easy to style, and honestly I don't think I have any black and white shoes, or maybe, yeah, I have the Converse, but I do not wear them anymore, so these are my only black and white shoes at the moment. And yeah, I am very excited. I really like the combination. Usually I like white shoes, but black and white, I think it's a perfect combination. So now what can I say about them? Yeah, these are black and white, and it's got I would say like average synthetic leather quality, and inside the shoe is black with the white insoles, and the logo is black, and the midsole is white with the black bottom sole, and the tongue is white, inside is black, and it's got the black label with white branding, and on the back it's also got a white branding with the black. And these are actually GS sized dunks, so, and that's why they looks a little bit different. For some reason GS size shoes are always looks different, and they just looks more effortless, they just don't put as much effort into them, so that's why the quality is not really there. And also the shape of the shoe is not the same as on the men's or on the women's shoes, but it's okay. I mean, I have a very small feet, so it's okay. And honestly I am not really impressed with the quality on these. It has a lot of hanging threads and glue stains on the shoes, and also it's got a very basic lace. I mean, it's not that bad, but definitely not a quality lace. And another reason I got these shoes because these are very comfortable. Usually Nike shoes are not comfortable to me, but these are extremely comfortable and very light. They are way more comfortable than the high top version of these shoes. So yeah, I think they are very nice. I'm very happy with them. But yeah, I don't think they are that unique shoes because a lot of people wear them, but it's okay, you know. It can look different on each person, you know. It depends how you style your outfits with the shoes, you know. So I don't want to say that it's a boring shoes because everybody wear them, but you know what I mean. And also it was very cheap, like 90 euro, and if I don't buy them then I think I'm very stupid because it was the last pair and also my size. But definitely I would not pay more than 100 euros for these shoes because of the quality. But other than that, like, it was very cheap and they are comfortable, so yeah. So like I said, these are 36 and a half. It's actually a little bit bigger than my usual size, but I prefer a looser fit, so I do not mind it. I think I am done with my review, and now let's see how they look like on feet. And also I'm going to show you some outfits with the shoes. And yeah, and let me know what do you think about these sneakers. And also if you have any other questions or requests, then please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on Instagram. Every information in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.